Hi, this is Simon Craven from Manifest Law, and in today's video we're going to go over the form I-797 that is essentially a notice from USCIS. You will get the form I-797 after you apply for benefits with USCIS. The form can indicate a number of different things, including receipt of your case, a request for more evidence, or approval or decision regarding the case. For this video, we're going to use the 797A Notice of Action as an example because this one tends to contain the most information. So let's take a look at what's on this notice. On the top left corner here, you'll have the receipt number. This will be the number to track your case throughout the whole process, and you can usually do so online as well. Next, on the top right, you'll see the case type. This is where they indicate the type of case that you filed, usually by the form number. Below that will be the petitioner's name. This is the person filing the petition. And if there's a beneficiary, such as in an employment visa like an O1, you would have the beneficiary's name down here. To the left, you will see the receipt date, which is the date that USCIS acknowledges receiving the petition, as well as the notice date below that, which is when the actual notice of action was sent out to you. Below this, we will have the contact information for the petitioner. Usually they are the ones who receive the notices, for example, in the O1 case. If you're filing something for yourself, your information would be listed here along with your contact address. To the right of that, you will see that indicates the notice type, in this case, an approval notice. Below that will be the classification, that is the visa type that has been approved, and then the validity periods, indicating how long the visa has been approved for. If you're processing at a consulate abroad, it will indicate the location here as well. Now, in the middle, there's a lot of text, and this usually describes, in general terms, how your petition or application will be processed or what the purpose of this notice is. Below that, you will find contact information for the service center that processed your case. In this case, it is the California Center, although there are many different service centers located throughout the country. Now, on the bottom of this notice is perhaps the most important piece. In this example, the request for an extension of stay has been approved. When that is the case, if you are changing or extending your stay from within the United States, you will also receive a new I-94 record here on the bottom. This will indicate the receipt notice for your case, the I-94 number, as well as the name and classification and validity period below. To the right is the I-94 record itself, and this serves as evidence of your valid status throughout the validity periods indicated. Just a quick tip. Sometimes you might see that the approval notice goes for maybe 10 days beyond the dates listed on the I-94. This is because they sometimes build in an automatic grace period, so be careful to check for the actual expiration date, which will be located on the I-94 notice at the bottom. As you can see, the 797 notice has a lot of important information that can be vital to tracking or understanding your immigration case. I hope this video has been helpful for understanding all the information that can be found on the form I-797 from USCIS.